Nice. Smaller. But I slight casted that one. Well, all right. Shannon told me where it was and I casted there. I gotta give credit where credit's due. Ooh, ooh, that's not playing nice, dude. Oh, oh, oh. That's not cool, man. That is a nice snook. Take this trout. That Crevel. That's first. Nice job. Not bad, not bad at all. Oof. Beautiful fish. Love it. My first tarpon. Love it.
There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but
look at this. What a gorgeous morning. Shannon and I are launching from a different place, for me anyway. And I mean, I'm seeing life already. Probably just mullet, but that's okay. What a gorgeous morning. Flat calm. I mean, wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Where'd they go? Come on, don't be camera shy. I just had a trout bust on my top water here all the way to the boat. I don't know where he went. Don't know what it is, but it's spinning me around. I'm thinking it's a trout. Nope. It's a lady. It's a lady. All right. Oh man. This is something a little bit different than a ladyfish. Oh yeah. Nice, that's not a bad trout. I think I belly hooked them though. Not a bad trout. All right. Chill out. All right, let's see. There we go. Wow. He engulfed it. This is a little bit different bait today. I'll explain that in a second. But that's a nice trout. Look at that. Beautiful. Ugh. Left me with a parting gift. Ugh. Okay, so this bait. I don't know the exact name. Let me wipe you. Hold on. Okay. This is a wise guy. My buddy Shannon just got all this. This is a wise guy shrimp on a Ned rig. And now I know I've been playing with the voodoo shrimp on a Ned rig, but Shannon just got these. Here's another one. Wise guy out of Alva, Florida, I think it is. They kind of a local company. They make these, and yeah, so I decided he gave me a couple shrimp to try, and I didn't even put any procure on it. So I'll have the actual name of the bait in the description, or I might put it up here. But yeah, so here we go. One down. See if I can find a red though. Days like this is what I love. Clear water, very little wind. Standing up, sight casting, looking for reds. This is what I love. Doesn't feel very big. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah. Not a bad sized little trout. Come here, guy. It's actually bigger than I thought. Let's see what you are before we get rid of you. 17.5. Zoop. And away you go. Thanks for playing. I just had a red go into there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get him out. Yeah. Well, that red that I spooked had to have been 25 to 30. I'm gonna guess. He was big. I got a little guy that went that way. I don't know if I can get him out now. I'm gonna circle around and see if I can find that big guy. Got something. Oh, that's a red. Oh yeah, that's a red. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's definitely a red. He's going to visit Shannon, evidently. Got to gain some line here. Oh yes. On the wise guy, by the way. I am going to need to know the name of this bait. A Kickin Skrimp? Okay. Come on. Little Matlacha sleigh ride. He's right here. Come on. Come on, I just want to see you. Let me just see you. Oh, lots of grass. Come on. Oh, he's in the friggin' mud. I have no idea. He's underneath me. Oh yeah, that's a nice red. That is a nice red. Come on, come on, come on. It won't fit in my net. That's a nice problem to have, dude. I can hear him drumming from now, or from here. All right. Oh, oh, that is a nice red, people. The dip is a very happy boy. Let's get this on. Wow, baby. Look at that. Ouch, I just poked myself. Let me get my phone so I can get a nice picture of that shrimp in his mouth. Camera. Right there. On the Ned rig. Get a nice picture like that. Put that underneath me. Let's get this. And we can see how much he weighs. That easy. Oop. Come on. Jesus. This thing doesn't like to hold a red, evidently. Here we go. So. Oh. 10, almost 10 pounds. 9.5. Something like that. But what a beautiful, beautiful red. Oh. Now, let's see how big Mr. Red is. This is, I think, the guy that I saw. I think this is the one I saw. I'm gonna do it backwards. Huh?
There's been a few studs over there.
This guy is 30, with a pinch tail, 30 inches. Come on, let go. I don't like these things. There you go, 30 inch. Beautiful, beautiful red. I'm gonna let this guy get back in the water. Whew. Okay, I like this place. Thank you, sir. Nice. Smaller. But I sight casted that one. Well, all right. Shannon told me where it was and I casted there. I gotta give credit where credit's due. Ooh, ooh, that's not playing nice, dude. Oh, oh, oh. That's not cool, man. All right, I gotta sit down. I gotta pull you out. Oh my Lord. Maybe this is a little bit better than I thought.
Yeah, he looked not dainty.
You know, I probably should have checked my leader. Get some line back. Nothing to see here, boat. Move along. Oh. Round and round we go. Another nice red. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Whew. Oh. Oh my Lord, dude. Again, with the Wise Guy shrimp with very little Procure on it. I did end up putting some on, but it's definitely worn off by now. Golly. As long as he doesn't kick. Let's put him right there for a sec. I get this open. Ho, 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 ho. Come here, guy. Come here. Come here. Oh. 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 28. Yeah, no kidding. Beautiful, beautiful red. Ba-doop. Shannon just sight casted a red. They're red? Guys. Oh. There you go. I love blue tails. I love that. That was on the Wise Guy?
Yeah.
Wise Guy shrimp. New to the market. 17. Awesomeness. This might be another red. Yep, another red. Oh. Come on now. Oh. There's a little guy. It's a fun size red. Oh. Come on. 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 Beautiful little red. Doop. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for today. Can't say enough about this day. Shannon limited it out. I got 3 reds. 2 of them were fantastic size. Can't complain about this day. This is kind of, for me anyway, this is kind of exploratory. I have a gentleman coming down Tuesday from Punta Gorda. I'm not exactly sure where he's from else, but he's staying in Punta Gorda or something. He contacted Gulf Coast, and they're having me take him out Tuesday. So this was kind of a scouting trip for me. And I'm probably going to take him here Tuesday. So look forward to that. I'm hoping we can get him on a good red. That would be super. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Please ring your notification bell. Please think about becoming a patron. I like to thank my patrons. And if you are looking for a guide in Southwest Florida, please contact me at fishin-dips, fishin-dips1 at gmail.com, or call or text me at 239-406-2722, and I'll send you all my guide information. And until next time, I'll see you out there.